Hello friend, welcome back. I'm sure pretty much every one of you have used this amazing plugin page load time to get the web page load time, any of your web page. So there was a great feedback about it from one of our community member and user from Akash Grover. Like he was saying that is it possible to get the average web page load time by hitting the same page multiple times, or can tool provide all the load times for a single web page in report itself? So let me show you the currently what was happening and why he suggested this. So like for an example, let's say google.com. Okay, so if I refresh this page, here you see that it's showing 0.61 second. So this much time it has taken. So if you click here, it will show you the details, and if you click on view report, it shows all the page where we have which all we have open. So here you see that google.com 0.61. Now if we go back and again refresh the page, now it shows 0.55. But if you open the report here, you see that it has updated that last 0.61 second, and this one is not here now. This 0.61 is not there in the latest report. If we even if you refresh this report, it will show this one. If again let's say we refresh this page, now it shows 0.57. So if you will refresh this report, it shows 0.57. So we don't have the track of all the like load time of any page. Like let's say we want to test for a particular page, we want to test the average load time. Like what could be the average? Like let's say the same website we have opened multiple times, like for an example SelectorsHub.com, we are opening multiple times, and we want to test like this, it has taken to 2.70. Okay, first time. Next time it has taken 1.37. So there must be an average load time for every web page, right? So that was a great suggestion, and if you click on this, we were having only one, the latest one. So how can we have this? Like either we have, there should be an option, right, to have all the load times, or as well as we should have the average load time. That was a very great suggestion from Akash, so really appreciate. So now we have added this option, both the features we have added, what he suggested and what he was looking for, that now you will have this thing, like multiple, like you will have all the load times for a same page as well as the average as well. Let me show you how it will work now. So let's say we open this SelectorsHub.com. In the latest version you will have it. So you see here it shows 2.75. now if you click here, so you have this setting option. By default what it will do, it will do the like whatever right now it is doing, it will be showing the latest one only. Okay, so if you click on view report here, so let me just first clear this all the load time so that we can show you clear data. So this will delete all the data what is there. Now let us refresh this page. It has 2.22 second. Click here, and if you see this 2.22 second, and here you have this average load time 2.22 second. Now if we again refresh this page, it is showing 1.77. okay, so let's click on this and click on view report. It has this, both of them it is there, and average load time is also there. Okay, then come back here again, refresh this page. So if you open the report now, it will have this, the latest load time. I mean all of them are there, duplicates are there. So earlier we were ignoring the duplicate, but now you have this average load time. So you are able to see all the load times as well as the average load time. But there might be a chance that somebody doesn't want like all this thing, they just want the unique latest load time. So for that we have a setting here. You click on this, keep duplicate URL values in the report, or you want to turn it off. If you will click on the turn off, then it will show us this, save duplicate URL data will be deleted from the report. If you want to delete all of them, whatever like duplicates are there, if you click on OK, it will clear the report and just have the latest one. So for an example, if you click on OK, it will delete. If you don't want, just click on cancel. So if you click on OK, it will turn off this toggle. Now let's go back, refresh this page. So now 2.36 second, click on view report, and now you have just this latest one. If you again refresh the page, it will be having the latest load time of this thing. So only that page, whatever will be the latest, that it will have here. So this way now you have option if you want the duplicate only or you want the all of them, so you can do that setting. Okay, so if you ever face any challenge, or if you want to have any feature suggestion, or if you want to add any new feature, do let us know and we will be more than happy to add like this. So here again, once again I'm repeating, here in setting you have to see this. If you keep this toggle off, then it will not have the duplicate. If you want to keep the duplicate, just keep it on, so that way you will have that. Really appreciate Akash once again for this amazing feature suggestion. I hope you guys like this particular tool, page load time. If you haven't installed yet, do install it. Just keep it in your browser. Whenever you will open any website, it will automatically shows you the page load time, and more details you can see it here. You can download report, you can view report, you can clear data, settings is there. Here you can see all the details about the page load time. I hope you like this. Give a thumbs up about this extension. If you like it, you can install it from Chrome store. It is also available for like all other browsers, so you just click and you will get all the details here. Do check it out and give us a 5-star rating here in Chrome store, and I'm sure you will love it. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.